Hello and welcome back. This is my latest project, which is a motorized camera slider, and it's powered by this stepper motor, which is controlled by this Arduino box, which has an easy driver shield, which is then powered by this transformer, which, as we can see, is clearly for this device. And this thing is just a basic proof of concept so that I can make a better one really soon. And it has a idler that currently cannot be tensioned, which is why the stepping belt is really loose, which is a problem. I'm currently making a new part, but it's not ready yet. And this is just 2040 aluminium extrusion. And then we have a aluminium plate with wheels that don't seem to do much, but they do help. Then we have a 3D printed adapter part for the aluminium extrusion, which then connects it to a slick SH705E tripod. And the code that is currently running this is actually just me repurposing a photogrammetry rig that just turned a piece very slowly in its place. And that's why there are no controls, and this can only be controlled by plugging in the power or just, detaching the transformer. All of the pieces that are 3D printed are of my own design, and that's why I'm going to probably have to redo them again. And if we then go ahead and connect the power to this device, we'll be able to see a demonstration. So we'll put the power in, and then we can get slow speeds, and may not be readily apparent, but it is actually moving, which can be seen a lot better here, where we can see the belts moving. But I'm going to have to add some way of controlling the speed, and I'm going to have to add end stops so that when it inevitably hits the end, it doesn't try to run it afterwards. But even with this setup, I should be able to do some nice time lapses, even though this is not quite ready. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll try to update soon.